Jai Shri Krishna everyone. In this video I will explain you REST client delete method. Okay, so this is a repository I already shared with you in my first video, and you can check like all the links related to the server. Okay, so this is a URL we can call for the delete one. Okay, for the more description you can go my first video, like description video, and just check. Okay, introduction video, check like how what is server and like how you can run the server in the locally. Okay, this is the API. Okay, let's go and see the implementation of this. See, okay, yeah. So first of all, what we can do, first of all, we inject the REST client. Okay, the REST client should be like org spring framework dot web client. Okay, REST client, REST private final REST client, REST client. Okay, this is the REST client now. Okay, the ID automatically give the suggestions. Just create the suggestion. Now make it just builder. Okay, and add the dot builder. Okay, REST builder. This is the builder. We can add it, and the builder, what we are doing, we just add the base URI. Okay, it's what happen in the base. Suppose you are just calling the multiples API. Okay, so you don't need to add the base API like again and again. So what is the base API? So you can copy paste from here just little bit this line of code. Okay, so this one is the base API. Okay, so this is the base API, you can add it. So we added the base API here. Now just call the delete API, like we can put it here void. So this is a method, and top of the method I just put it at the rate post constructor. After run the application, it will be execute. That's why now just REST client dot delete method. Okay, and after that delete, we are just use dot URI. Okay, now the thing is that the URI is this. So this is our URI. Okay, so this is our URI. Now I just pass the URI here. This URI is take one argument, which is the roll number. Okay, so we need to also pass the roll number. Already I have a get API. Okay, you can go and check my first video, like you can see this is a URL of there. In the documentation also you can see the C. So we have a like already the get all recipient requests. So based on the roll number we can delete it. So suppose right now I'm deleting 101. Okay, so I just copy the 101 from here and just put it here like 101. So this is the roll number dot, and after that retrieve. In the end I don't want anything else, just I need just response code. Okay, so I'm just using two bodiless entity, just simple thing, and keep in the variable where response. Okay, this is the response. Now just put inside the system dot out dot println. Okay, so this is a way we can create that API. Just we can call that delete API. Just run the code. Let's see we run the code. Yeah, see it's give the 200. Okay, and let's go and check from the API. See, the one record is deleted, it means it's working fine. Okay, so this is a simple thing called the delete API. And okay, thank you so much, and please subscribe and like my channel.